part left my body. Like, it literally... I was watching.
Where's the replay?
It bounced on my head.
Replay!
You guys, if you want to go ahead and watch that in slow-mo, because I don't know how to edit. We're going to roll up our sleeves today. We're making giant bubbles.
Because, I had this great idea. Wow.
To mix it, and then I was like, hey, let's make giant bubbles. It was pink, blue, and purple, and I was just so tired of keeping them separate.
Wait, hold on. It's this pretty color.
Yeah, I was so tired of keeping them separate.
It's actually kind of a little darker on camera.
Yeah.
It's not that
light.
light.
It's brighter on camera.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I'm going to try.
This is like attempt number 20. Not for the video, just for the bubble, okay?
You've been trying.
We're going to do it slow and then drop.
Oh! Where's the replay?
Gone. Oh my god. But what we want to do is we want to like leap over it.
We're going to try. I'm going to roll up my pants.
Then when we leap over, I'm going to roll up my pants.
I'm just going to have it.
So thankful. I'm so happy that I have wood tile and not carpet.
I know.
Otherwise, this video wouldn't exist. Oh yeah, you guys get to see what kind of tile I have.
Oh la la.
Alright, I had to take off my carpet.
Yeah.
Alright, they're probably going to hear us jumping. Like, what the heck are they doing? And up. No! You guys! Wait, oh my god, look! Oh, I stepped in it. Ew! I made a bubble! Hope! Oh my god!
I can't show you.
Hope! Oh my god!
Hold on, guys. Well, hold on. We're gonna clean up these mess.
We're gonna clean up and we'll see you on attempt number 2. Dos. You almost... I got so scared that it was gonna happen again.
Oh yeah, we were after we cleaned it up.
Played it.
We just had to watch it over and over again. Too late.
Like I was so surprised, and then when it was off me, I was like, back to giant bubbles though.
Back to giant bubbles.
Come on,
wait, there's a little thing. Yep.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Teenager! Oh my god, he's so creepy.
The cat.
So you guys can only see our fashionable feet. Oh yeah, I was thinking we could paint our nails. Maybe. And up and dang it, I saw it pop in the air.
I'm gonna raise you guys a little higher.
Yeah.
So you can see the action. Let's see if that'll work.
Wait. I'm gonna do something so stupid.
What? You're so stupid.
Wait. Redo. Get out of the way. Please just go by my bed in case it.
Come on, let's make slide bubbles.
Okay, wait, you kick it. Like, I'll kick it to you, you kick it to me.
You're horrible.
I know. Alright, slime bubbles.
Teenager.
Oh, creepy. Oh, no! This guy just popped in the air.
Guys, we're horrible at this. We're going to take me an hour.
I don't even know if I'm doing this right.
The orange. Comment down below if she's doing it right.
I don't even know, and I'm so happy about it. I don't even know.
No.
That was bad.
Okay, let's do it. She's mad.
This is what I do when I'm mad.
Look, she destroyed the beautiful slime.
I'm sure she's gonna kick you guys and this video will end.
Come on, let's be serious.
Okay.
A serious gentleman. Gentleman?
I'm a woman. Oh, and that was so satisfying. Oh, that was a mistake. You guys need to see the floor though. I don't know why we did that. They can look at our gorgeous feet. Yeah, feet. You're nasty.
So, if you see the bubble, comment down. If you see a tiny little bubble. Like if we do it, and if we can't find it, you have to comment.
We're gonna rewatch this video after.
Yes, and see all of our
And just laugh at ourselves, suffocate. So, okay. No, I popped it in the air. Look at oh my gosh.
You're so rude.
Oh! It's stuck.
Here, show the camera. Show the camera. Like,
I can't. You show.
okay. You're gonna ruin the slime.
Show them.
Come on.
It's so cold.
Come back.
Okay. I'm trying to get it off.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, we'll see you guys when. We'll see you guys when it's I'm just gonna pause it.
Oh, no, replay it. I want to see them suffer. Make you suffer. Oh wow, you didn't even pause it. Show my feet. It's like.
Oh, I didn't pause it.
Oh.
Okay, bye-bye. We'll see you when we are done with Kara. See, Kara went to the bathroom and the cat.
I tried to throw it at the camera.
Ew, Kara.
What?
Look at all the hair.
That was there before.
It doesn't matter.
I'm
At least
sweating.
we got to do this, Kara. This is our last time. I'm just shaking my butt. I'm shaking my
Oh. Jump rope. Oh, that was a fail. I give up. Oh my god, you're gonna hit me. Like that first part.
Oh, like I'm a ribbon dancer. I'm a ribbon dancer. This video has turned into dancing and slime.
Yep, just cringe. Oh my god, I stepped in. I keep stepping in. Let's just dance.
Dance party! Dance party! Dance party!
You We're literally just laughing now. I'm just gonna change this video title to random things. Let me kick you. Oh my god, it's all over my foot. What the heck?
I don't think
I'm
we need
making art.
We don't need a bath. The slime's cleaning our feet.
I know. I'll just be like, what? You told me to take a shower? Oh no, I already played with slime. Yes.
I'm so
I'm gonna slip. I know, that's how I felt.
don't.
I'll hold on to you.
Don't, Kara. No, let go of me. After this, we are going. I kind of want
On
to
tour. I'm just kidding. I'm not famous.
We're going on tour. Please accept.
I should just change his name to KJ and Emma.
KJ and M.
Or KJ and Emerz. Should I do that, guys? I feel like it's better if we do
Comment
it
down
together.
below with you.
I feel like it would be better that way. Also, let's clean up this slime now.
Okay. We'll see
Ew,
you.
it's all over our feet.
Okay, we'll see you when we are done cleaning.
Did I step in slime? No. Okay. I was like, I'm dead.
La. Okay, guys, we are almost. After this, we actually thought about playing Boxburg.
Yeah.
So this slime has turned into. First, it was making slime bubbles, which is a fail, and then
I
it was
think we should
dancing.
continue doing that because this video is just turning out weird.
No, Boxburg.
I know, but after.
Okay.
I mean, after Bloxburg, then.
Our next video.
Our next video will be what? Guys, comment down below.
Yes, comment.
Predict what we think we'll do next. Also, guys, I'm so sorry for the last video, the Never Have I Ever. It did not, the sound wasn't working.
Oh, that was the last video that we ever did.
Yeah, it was,
Oh.
I'm so sorry, guys.
Guys.
I didn't even realize until I just watched the video myself, and it was already posted. And I don't even know how to delete videos.
You
Alright.
can't.
You can't? Can't. Then it stays there forever. Muted, Never Have I Ever. Okay.
Just
Okay. We're going to play Bloxburg.
We're gonna finish the video.
Okay.
After this, we're gonna play Bloxburg.
Yep.
After-
Possibly a video on Bloxburg.
After it updates the video.
Oh!
It didn't stick.
Oh my god. It literally landed on my carpet.
It didn't stick. Okay, I think we should be done.
Yeah, I think we should just do some random things with it to wrap it up and not do the bubbles.
Yes, not the bubbles. Here, I know what we should do.
Wait, let's have a slime war.
Hold on. I need some slime.
We have time and we're gonna try to show my piggyback as well. So just go. This piece is really big.
No.
Beautiful. Do you guys see
This masterpiece.
Oh yeah. Okay.
It's a masterpiece.
I like that on my back.
Let's clean it up first so we don't die.
My piggyback rides goes. Just trust me. Get the trust. I won't kill you. Oh. Thanks for not sneezing on me. And bless you.
I'm scared.
Bless you.
I'm already blessed.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Get on my back. It's okay.
I'm scared.
It's okay. Just trust me. Okay, read it. Actually, go up from the bed. So it's easier.
I don't want to knock your computer.
It's fine. Guys, we're just trying to get her on my back right now.
Okay. That was my
Are you good?
Yes, I'm not good.
Time to step on sister. No. It's okay. We're gonna make it. That was so hard. You guys have no idea how hard that was.
Should we end it?
Let's end the video here. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Turn on notifications. That is not my outro.
And hit it.
Superhero. Whoosh. Some teacher at my school does it.
Back you.
Always feeling like somebody's watching me.
Okay,
Alright,
let's end it.
Subscribe, like. That's not my outro. Okay, bye.